Sonos Move vs Bose Portable Home Speaker. Which portable smart speaker wins? Two portable smart speakers from respected audio savants bully off for the simplest portable smart speaker title. Bose and Sonos both unveiled their first portable smart speakers within weeks of every other, featuring similar features and similar prices. The Sonos Move $399 and therefore the Bose Portable Home Speaker $349 and Amazon Alexa for voice control and smart home integration, and both are battery powered, so you'll take them out of your house. But which one offers the best value? We've put the Sonos Move and Bose Portable Home Speaker through a 7-round test to make a decision. Designed for the Move, Sonos digressed from the uniformity in its current offerings to design a speaker unlike anything else we've seen from the Santa Barbara-based company before. The all-black exterior and elliptical cylinder lend a sleek look, while the grille consumes an impressive amount of real estate. But the Sonos Move's rear grip doesn't provide a comfortable carrying experience, and the device's 6.6-pound weight makes transporting the dense Move a two-handed job. The Bose Home Portable Speaker, by comparison, is actually designed for portability. Though its appearance isn't as seductive because the Move's, the 2.3-pound Bose Home Portable Speaker is effortless to hold with its convenient bucket handle. Both Sonos and Bose have excellent reputations for engineering high-quality listening experiences. But just one delivered an all-around outstanding sound in its first portable smart speaker. The Sonos Move packs 2 amplifiers, one downward-facing tweeter and one midwoofer. This speaker also supports Auto TruePlay, an advanced version of the spatial tuning technology from Sonos that lets the speaker automatically tune itself through its built-in microphones, so Auto TruePlay adjusts sound settings to best fit your surroundings. When I tested the Move's new feature on an outdoor rooftop, Auto TruePlay excelled. It drowned out the sound of traffic and trains below but didn't impede on face-to-face conversations just a few feet away from the speaker's position. The Bose Portable Speaker struggled to stabilize its sound, even with its high excursion transducer and 3 passive radiators. Bose advertised 360-degree listening, and while it ultimately gets louder than the Move, I could not hear the person nearby chatting with me like I could when the Move was at full volume. Smart features. What makes the Sonos Move and Bose Portable Home Speaker different from other wireless speakers is that they both support Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Streaming services. Sonos has an undeniable edge with its music streaming services. The Sonos app provides access to 100 platforms, so there's an option for every kind of listener. With your Sonos Move, you can use popular services like Spotify and Pandora, or more niche platforms like Bandcamp and SoundCloud. You'll also find services like Audible for audiobooks, Stitcher for podcasts and SiriusXM for radio. Bose Music also has an array of streaming options, though it's limited as compared. The Bose Portable Home Speaker supports Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, Deezer, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, and SiriusXM. It also works with Apple Music via AirPlay too. You'll have to use your voice assistant to access other services like Audible. Winner, Sonos Move battery life. These speakers are considered portable because they need built-in batteries that allow them to figure wirelessly. On the Sonos Move, we were ready to get 10 hours of battery life, which is strictly as Sonos advertised. The Move also switches to suspend mode when it isn't getting used, so it can preserve battery life for up to 120 hours, consistent with Sonos. This speaker can be charged on the go with a compatible USB-C travel charger, too. Bose promised 12 hours for its portable home speaker, but during testing, it lasted a whopping 20 hours on the brand new battery. Bose also says the portable home speaker lasts over 24 hours in standby mode, which is when the device is not playing music but the microphone is on and listening for voice commands. If you power off the speaker entirely, it should still turn on after a month unused. It can also be juiced back up with a USB-C charger. Bose definitely wins this one, but it's important to note that the Sonos Move comes with a charging base while the Bose Portable Home Speaker does not. If you'd like a permanent dock for the Bose speaker, you'll have to pay $30 for the Bose Portable Home Speaker charging cradle. The Move is additionally rugged enough to measure through accidental drops. During my review, I let it fall from my hand 3 feet above a concrete patio. Not only did it still work afterward, but it also showed minuscule signs of wear and tear.